Hello, in this video we are talking about logarithm equations. As you can see, all of the equations in front of you here, and these are very basic equations. There's not really a lot of complicated algebra, but you do need to understand what's going on with your logarithms so that you can solve. So if you look at a question like this first one here, this right side here is all numbers as far as there's not an x inside that logarithm. So you want to just think about undoing that logarithm. So you want to think about 7 to the what would give me a 7. 7 to the what gives me a 7. And so a 7 to the first power gives you a 7. So that what, okay, is that x value that you're looking for, that exponent, okay, that's missing there. That is the value of x. So you can also put this into a calculator, and this is one of the reasons we recommend that TI-36 calculator, because it will do these types of logarithms for you. So I'm going to switch to the calculator. So this is a calculator that's the TI-30X Pro, so it's not exactly the same as your calculator, but it's very similar in how you key in the logarithms. So I'm just going to use this to show you. So you want to hit your logarithm button, which is right here under the second key. And if you hit it one time, that's your natural log. Twice, that's your base 10 log. 3 times, that is your base whatever log. So you can put a number in there. So this is a base 7 log, and then you want to arrow over, and then there was a 7 inside there, and then you want to hit enter. All right, and you can see the outcome there is 1. So we figured out the 1 just by using our brains, okay, but then we also saw the calculator was able to give us a 1 if we needed it. So if you look down at this next one here, kind of the same idea, you can put that right into the calculator, and that will give you that value of x. I'll also encourage you to think about it. See if you can figure out the value of x on your own, and then put it to the calculator to see if if you can figure things out on your own before reaching for that calculator, and that'll really help your understanding of logarithms. Now if you look at this problem over here, you are going to need to undo this logarithm to your exponential form. So just think about 3 to the 4th equals x. Okay, 3 to the 4th equals x. And then 3 to the 4th is 81. So x must be 81. Okay. So the way this one is set up on the left-hand side, all right, you cannot put this straight into the calculator, okay, because you have an x there. So like I said, on this problem that we did on the left side, all of that was there, the base and the inside number of the logarithm, so you could key it in. But when you have one like this, you're going to have to undo that logarithm. So you'll see a mixture of different problems on this page, but like I said, try to figure them out without the calculator, and then use the calculator if you have to.